Hello Internet world, this is the COSORI 5 litre rice cooker. It was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm purely sharing with you my experience of using this so you can make an informed buying decision. When you first take the COSORI rice cooker out of the box, it does come with this quick start guide attached to the front of the screen, and this is a simple peel off piece of plastic. It just tells you about adding water to the rice cooker and performing a steam clean before you use it for cooking any food. Also inside the box we do get a user manual. We also get some information about customer support and their online presence on social media. We get a quick start guide on how to perform a test run and then cook in brown or white rice. We get a really nice recipe book included, and this all comes supplied in this really nice COSORI envelope. The accessories included are this main cooking bowl. It's got a nice non-stick coating to the inside. We also get an inner bowl as well. Now what this allows you to do is to actually wash your rice in here and drain the water out, or you could use it for steaming various vegetables and other food. We also get a nice measuring cup, and then we get two spatulas. We get a deeper sort of dishing ladle and also a rice spatula as well. They're really high quality and just feel very, very nice in the hand. The rice cooker itself looks really modern and it's quite compact considering its capacity. It's got a 17-in-1 functionality with touch control on this front interface here, advanced fuzzy logic controls for temperature and time. The inner pot that I showed you and all of the accessories are dishwasher safe. And I mentioned about the nice large capacity. This will actually accommodate 10 cups of rice. Now let's take a closer look at this front panel. On your screen it might flicker very slightly, but in real life it doesn't flicker at all. It's a nice steady, stable display. And this is the screen you're presented with when you first turn on the rice cooker. And you can select between white rice, grains, brown rice, keep warm or extra modes. And this is a touch panel as well. So if for example I was going to cook white rice, I would simply touch on white rice, and then I can choose between long grain, short grain or a quick cooking mode. If I want to go back to the previous menu, I can tap on cancel. And then again here I can select grains or brown rice or keep warm as I mentioned earlier, or we can use the mode button, and this takes you into another menu where you've got the choices of steam, slow cook, soup, saute, jam and sauce, or even a cake mode as well. Now for the purposes of this demonstration I'm going to cook some white rice, so I'm going to tap on white rice here and I'm going to cook some short grain white rice, and that takes roughly about 51 minutes to complete. So I've now washed the rice and added it to the main cooking bowl, but before I start this cooking I wanted to show you this inner section of the lid. Now with some rice cookers they're very difficult to clean, but this one's super easy. There's an orange latch at the top here and you simply pull this latch forwards and it releases the whole top section of the lid, and then you can very easily clean this. And then popping it back in is a nice simple action as well, and it just clips back into place. And now we're ready to go. Let's take a look inside. So here you can see the uncooked rice in the main cooking bowl, and this has been rinsed until the water is almost clear, and we're going to simply close the top lid, and then we're going to select white rice, and then we're going to tap white rice again until short grain is flashing, and then we're going to tap on start. And this is going to take roughly 51 minutes to cook, and we'll come back and take a look at it and see how this has performed. So the good news is that this actually finished around about 5 or 6 minutes earlier than the estimated time. So it finished cooking in, let's say, around about 44 to 45 minutes. And then it enters into this keep warm mode. So it's a really low power mode which just keeps the food warm inside. And to open this up we simply push the button on the top and you can see a lot of the steam escaping. At this stage we can turn off as well at the wall socket, and we can remove the inner container and have a look. Wow, the result does look very, very good. Let's grab some of the rice out and have a closer look. This is nice texture. That is a very, very fluffy rice. Wow, cooked to perfection. I'm really impressed with that. The COSORI rice cooker has really impressed me. It cooked that rice in under the estimated time. It's nice and light, nice and fluffy, and cooked to perfection. So overall I'm very, very impressed. I'm even more impressed with how many different modes we've got. So we can obviously cook rice, grains, brown rice, but again, as I showed you at the beginning of this video, we've got so many different modes for steaming, slow cooking, soup, saute, jams and sauces, and also cakes, one of my favourites. As such, I can highly recommend this. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. I want to thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.